week, guys, well, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's a red day. Down more than 10% in the account. It's the biggest red day of the small account challenge here on day 27, both in percentage and in dollar amount. I'm down about $1,400. Now, what's interesting is that it puts me back at about $12,000 in the account. I started this morning at $13,687, I think it was. I'll confirm it during the recap. Lost $1,400, so I'm back down to around $12,000. What's interesting is that I made $1,495, so $1,500 on Friday. So it basically wipes out what I made on Friday, puts me back to where I was on Thursday. And on Thursday, after 2 huge green days in a row, I felt phenomenal. You know, my account was growing. I had a $2,000 green day on day 24, then made $2,500. Account was up 25% on day 25. And so going into Friday, I was feeling amazing. Yeah, my account was the same exact size as it is today, but I was feeling really good, and that's gonna be the big difference tomorrow. I'm not gonna come in tomorrow feeling phenomenal, feeling like I'm on top of the world, feeling like I'm on fire. I'm gonna come in feeling this sense of disappointment, knowing that I had been up X amount and then given it back, that I had just experienced a loss. And that emotion, that disappointment, is gonna make me much more susceptible to falling into the traps of the market, the bull traps. The traps emotionally, where you jump into something, you revenge trade, you give into FOMO because you feel that urge to make back losses. So I've got to be really careful tomorrow. The account may be at the same number, but I'm not in the same mental space. So the rest of this week, I've got to go slow and steady, just try to put some space between me and this big red day. I'll break the trades down from today in the recap. This is a perfect example of how easily profits come and go. Trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money, and you should assume therefore that you will lose money as well. And with that assumption in mind, trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. My results are not typical, so take it slow. All right, I hope you enjoyed the recap. Please hit the thumbs up for the transparency. It's a red day recap. This is valuable for you guys just as much, maybe even more than green days. So please hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 28. All right, so I'm gonna do a recap here. It's a red day, account's down 10%. Started this morning with $13,687.44, down $1,400. So this is a red day for sure. It's disappointing. The last trade there that I got red on was buying the dip on RGC on resumption from this halt, and stopped out right down here, lost as it obviously failed to make new highs. I was looking for a dip and a rip back up towards 1858, and we just didn't get it. But the one that got me the worst was VVOS, and it's discouraging to see it squeeze up to 708, 709 here. And for me, I traded it early. I traded it pre-market, and my first trade on it was right here. I bought at 730 for the break of 735, this flat top. It hit a high of 740, reversed, and sold off all the way to the VWAP. I stopped out and lost $650 on that. I then got in for a dip and lost on the dip as well, down 750. I then got back in, let's see, it was right around, I think it was right here. Lost on that one, went down 900. Then I got back in right here and lost again, down 1200. So this one, I mean, I just couldn't get dialed in on it. And I don't think I had a single winner. In fact, I don't think I had a single winner on it. I think I had like 6 trades on it and not a single winner, which is terrible. And then to see it now, you know, from the low of 580, end up going up to $7 is frustrating. But there's nothing I can do. I mean, it is what it is now. I'm below my max loss on the day. I can't keep trading. So it's a bad start to the week. It's never fun to start the week like that because it just sort of sets the tone emotionally. Like, you know, you've
sort of dug yourself this hole, and now the next couple days you keep feeling like, oh, I want to try to make back what I lost on Monday, and it just unfortunately sometimes puts you in a tricky headspace, which isn't great, especially kind of going into the last week of the month. Although I could, I think what is probably important, and of course makes it easier in the small account, tomorrow will be being very quick to cut losses and be a bit more picky on my first trade to try to get green, to try to start the day in the green. And clearly if I get some good trades, I can do really well the way I did last Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But today, I gave back everything I made on Friday. I was up 1,500 on Friday and I gave it all back. So back to where I was at the end of the day Thursday. Now at the end of the day Thursday, I was feeling really confident. I just had 2 huge green days. I was feeling really good. So although my account is back to the same number it was on Thursday, emotionally, I'm changed. Emotionally, I'm in a different place because I feel the loss, the frustration, the disappointment. And so that's going to be the biggest impact tomorrow, is trying to manage those emotions and not let them, steer me into bad trades where I give into FOMO or get too aggressive, and things like that. So anyways, it is what it is. Day 27 in the books. Red day, biggest red day so far of the challenge, both in dollar and in percentage. It's the way it goes. Trading is risky. Easy come, easy go. And today I was on the wrong side of the market on all the setups that I was trading. So, that's part of trading for you. So that's it. Day 27 in the books.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.